The really current exchanging volume of torrential slide in a real sense is at $122,299,751 in a truly significant manner. Avax cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline in a truly significant manner. Avax USD medium-term support basically remained at $13.68, which sort of is genuinely huge. Torrential slides EMA really shows an all things considered descending pattern, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. The 14th of June 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense got clarification on some pressing issues. What essentially is especially momentary cost expectation for torrential slide truly is Avax and in every practical sense, wise speculation, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Torrential slide support in opposition levels and so on, or so they essentially thought. Be that as it may, prior to jumping truly profound into the Avax specialized examination, for the most part allowed us really to discuss the truly current economic situations in a very large manner. Market investigation over the truly last 24 hours. There truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1.058-986-395-016, exhibiting that Avax cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram, which especially is genuinely critical. The in every practical sense, complete exchanging volume certainly remains at $28,914,442,597 or so they truly thought. Bitcoin shares 47.59% of the entry market while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33% in a fundamentally enormous manner, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $25,973.95 level after a decay of 0.78%. Or so they sort of thought. Various elective digital forms of money. As Ethereum certainly has seen a value lessening of 0.37% coming to $1,745.65 during the past 24 hours in a kind of large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $248.77, following a value change of 2.94% inside a similar time period. Or so they truly thought. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere near 9.41 and presently exchanging at 51 cents, which fundamentally is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a kind of significant way. These occasions by and large show that the market most certainly is going in a very descending bearing for truly present moment, which for the most part is very huge. As of now, a really broad kind of regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, or so they basically thought. Torrential slide backing and obstruction backing and opposition really are significant specialized pointers used to basically recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting how these occasions certainly show that the market in every practical sense is going in a kind of descending heading for genuinely present moment, which in a real sense is very huge. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers for the most part become substantially more in every practical sense dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in every way that really matters. Further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $248.77, following a value change of 2.94% inside a similar time span, which in a real sense is very huge. Similarly, opposition sort of is a level at which dealers basically become move certainly dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which basically shows that torrential slide backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish kind of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting how these occasions certainly demonstrate that the market most certainly is going in a very descending bearing for kind of present moment, or so they explicitly thought. Following really are the help and obstruction levels of torrential slide execution. The very current torrential slide cost explicitly is $11.89, with an exchanging volume of $122,299,751 in the beyond 24 hours, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. As of now, Avax for the most part is up by 0.51% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $4,101,756,218 USD, showing how market examination over the sort of last 24 hours. There truly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to $1,058,986,395,016, exhibiting that a VAX cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram in a sort of significant manner. Torrential slide value examination. AVAX cost investigation for the 14th of June 2023 inside an essentially everyday time span especially made sense of underneath. Kind of additional appearance how torrential slide backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to especially recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how these occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a fundamentally descending course for truly present moment, which certainly is very critical. We utilize genuinely relative strength index, moving especially normal combination and uniqueness, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including really straightforward moving especially normal and dramatic moving certainly normal to basically dissect the future development of the torrential slide, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $248.77, following a value change of 2.94% inside a similar time period, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. While AVAX's Williams %R marker in a real sense is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span showing an impartial condition, a exchange truly signal truly is in every way that really matters, conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how right now, a general especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The AVAX USD moving genuinely normal union and uniqueness pointer sort of is demonstrating in every practical sense. Present moment especially sell extremely signal as the MACD line basically is moving underneath in every practical sense. Signal line which really implies generally bears most certainly are ruling on the lookout. Or so they essentially thought. The torrential slide really has generally break all its for the most part upholds levels and things truly are not looking excellent for the crypto market. So however prior to plunging kind of profound into the AVAX specialized examination, fundamentally led us by and large discussion about the in every practical sense, current economic situations in an unobtrusive way. As of now, fundamentally bears certainly are in charge of the market and effectively explicitly take AVAX cost underneath the vital help level of $14.76 in an unpretentious manner. The really relative strength record shows that the AVAX coin generally is an oversold stage, as RSI truly is at 29, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping profound into the AVAX specialized examination, generally led us by and large discussion about the especially current economic situations, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ends AVAX value sort of is moving in sideways bearing, showing that Bitcoin shares 47.59% of the entry market while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 16.33%, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The fight between the bulls and the truly bears can bring about moving the coin cost in one or the other heading, so we utilize especially relative strength index, moving certainly normal union and dissimilarity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including especially straightforward